Hi, it's Lynn from LynnieCDesigns, and today I'm trying to make a video of this cute little box. This is a 6x6 sheet of DSP and it's scoring at 1.5, 2 3/4, 4 1/4 and 5.5. And I'm turning it and I'm scoring it at 1 1/4, and that's it. So I'm going to try and quickly show you how this works. I've got my snips here, and it's so simple. You just snip up that little one, and then you snip up each of the line up to the score line, and I just nip into each of those. I just find it helps it close a little bit easier. Doesn't matter to me that it's not square on the bottom. There you go. Because it's DSP, it's very easy to just reinforce those score lines. And what I want to do is put some double-sided tape on here. If I can find the end. Here we go. And then on the two wider bits there, just to stick down those two flaps, and it's as simple as that. So fold that over, and then take those off. No idea if this is working. This is my software package has updated. There we go, and that's the double bit, and I'm just going to pinch it there. And this is the 1/8 punch. I'm just going to punch some holes there, and it's going all the way through those corners. And I've got blueberry bushel, and some soft sea foam here. I'll give that a punch there. Punch that out. Lovely. Stick those on with a couple of dimensionals. And the little box is ideal for our multi-purpose glue. So I've got one of those in there, and then I've got some of the cross grain ribbon Let's see whether I'm going to be able to tie this on camera. Probably not. All the details for this little project will be on my blog if I can get my phone to work. Let's trim that again as it's spraying. And if you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe. I do try and put a video up every week. There we go. Never very good at tying these on camera. Oh, there we are, that's not too bad. So there we are. Thanks for watching, subscribe, leave me a comment and see you again next week. Bye bye for now.